Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to learn how to draw and place our doors in our drawing. If you don't know how we got the floor plan ready, kindly go back to my previous video and check. Thank you. So on this floor plan we have three different sizes of doors. We have 750mm doors, we have 900mm door, and we have 1200mm door. So let's get started. We're going to start with a line. Choose 50, 50. Okay. Offset 50. Offset 800. Line 50, 50. So the next thing we are going to draw now is another line which will be at an angle of 45 degrees. So in order to get that, we have to off our auto and you draw at an angle of 45 degrees, offset 40, and join the lines. Okay, now we want to draw a circle. The circle starts from this point and it's ending at this point. Okay, so we offset 20, 20. Extend the lines. Delete the external circle. Trim. Okay, now we are going to group. You highlight the door, then you group. Right click, click group. Now our 900mm door is ready. Let's measure it. Can you see? 900mm. So 750mm door, line, just like the previous one, line, 50, 50, offset 50, offset 650. Okay, line 50, offset 50, line, it's an angle of 45 degrees, offset 40. Join the lines. Okay, then you draw a circle from this point to this point. Right, offset 20, extend the lines, delete the unwanted circle, trim. Now our 750mm door is ready. Group. Now the last one is our 1200mm door. So line 50, 50, offset 50, offset 800, offset 300, line 50, offset 50. Okay, our line at an angle of 45 degrees. Offset 40. Join the line. Circle. Offset 20. Extend the lines. Delete the unwanted circle. Trim. Then the other half, we are going to draw this at an angle of 135 degrees. It's going to be an 135. Okay, offset 40. Join the lines. Circle from this point to this point. Offset 20. Trim the unwanted lines. Okay. Delete the unwanted circle. Trim. Now our 1200 millimeter door is ready. Then we group it. So we want to place it in our drawing. Now then, want to mirror this. The 750 millimeter door is for the toilet. So I want to in our 1200 millimeter door. Now our doors are ready. Okay. Now our doors are ready. So the next thing we want to learn now is to place our dimensions. Dimension, I'm using aligned. So, okay. Now if you want to continue your dimensions without doing it one by one, you just press DCO, enter. So you pick the points, start picking the points. DCO. It means dimension continues. This so that's how we place our dimensions. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching us how we can place our furnitures, okay, like the chairs, the tables, the kitchen cabinets, and all, how we can place everything in our drawing. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back. Okay, thank you. Bye.